Good morning, children. Today we are going to look at the introduction to algebra. Before that, if you are a new visitor for my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon near, so whatever videos I am uploading related to studies, it will reach you as early as possible. Shall we go to the lesson? On a certain day, the government fixed the selling price of petrol at rupees 70. So the cost of 1 liter petrol rupees 70. Suppose if you are putting 1 liter petrol, you have to pay rupees 70. Instead of 1 liter petrol, if you are filling 2 liters petrol, then you have to pay 2 multiplied by 70 is equal to 140. In case 10 liter petrols, 10 multiplied by 70, you have to pay 700 rupees. The petrol price is constant, that does not vary, rupees 70 per liter. But according to the quantity of petrol we are filling, we have to pay the money. That it varies. It's 1 liter. If it is 1 liter, you have to pay 70 rupees, and 2 liters you have to pay 140 rupees. If it is 10 liter, you have to pay 700 rupees. It varies. So it is said to be as a variable. Variables are always denoted in small letters A, B, C. Small alphabets A, B, C. If the quantity of petrol filled X, so then selling price of petrol may be expressed as 70 multiplied by X. It is written, remove the multiplication sign, it is written as 70X. Operations with variables and numbers. The sum of X and 5 is expressed as X plus 5. The sum, so we are adding plus sign, so X plus 5. The difference of 5 and X is expressed in 5 minus X. 3 multiplied by X is written as 3X. Remove the multiplication sign and just combine 3 and X together, so it is written as 3X. 5 multiplied by Y is written as 5Y. X is divided by Y is expressed as X upon Y. Remember, a particular variable has one and only one value throughout an algebraic problem. What is algebraic expressions and algebraic statement? What is the difference between algebraic expressions and algebraic statement? An algebraic expression is a collection of variable and constant terms connected by symbols of addition or subtraction. For example, x plus 3x upon 100. An algebraic statement uses variables as well as numbers to represent quantities. For example, the statement SP is equal to x plus 3x upon 100. The parts of an algebraic expression separated by the signs plus and minus are called terms. Only addition and subtraction can separate the algebraic terms, and multiplication and division will not separate the terms. Just keep remember, only addition and subtraction will separate the terms, that is algebraic terms, and multiplication and division will not separate the algebraic terms. Now we are going to identify the constant term and variable terms in the algebraic expression. For example, x minus 3. X is variable term and minus 3 is constant term. Only this much. Very simple. Just with alphabets, with English alphabets, that is known as the variable terms, and only numbers, that is known as a constant term. What are like and unlike terms? terms with the same variable factors having the same powers, although their numerical coefficient may be different, are known as similar or like terms. For example, x, 9x and 43x. That is variable is same and power is also same because x raised to the power 1 and again 9x also x raised to the power 1 and 43x also x raised to the power 1. But the constant is different. You have to look at only the variables. If variables are same, they are said to be as a like terms. Then what are unlike terms? Look at the next example. 12y cube for like terms, 3y cube and minus 4y cube. Y cube as a common literal factor. Maybe 12 constant is different, 3 is also different, minus 4 is also different. But 12y cube, 3y cube, minus 4y cube is said to be as a like terms. For unlike term, look at the example x, 9z and 43y. X, variable is first term, the variable is x. The second term, the variable is z, and the third term, the variable is y. So different variables are there. So it is said to be as a unlike terms. I am going to send an activity for like and unlike. Pick out the like terms and unlike terms. Separate video. Just you will enjoy the video. Number of terms in an algebraic expression. A simple algebraic expression or a monomial consists of only one term. For example, 4x, 3y squared, 5y squared. That is said to be as a monomial. An algebraic expression consisting of two terms is called binomial. Two terms, already I said, only addition and subtraction will separate the terms, multiplication and division will not separate the term. So it has two terms, then it is said to be as a binomial. Now, do you know about the trinomial? Yes, correct. If it is three terms, that is said to be as a trinomial. Then what about if it has four terms, it is said to be as a quadrinomial. Otherwise, it is said to be as a polynomial. See, monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial, and more than 4 it is said to be as a polynomial. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.